Hello everyone, my name is Sudesh More. I am founder of Smart Joules. Smart Joules is a product related to building energy management system. Electrical energy efficiency can be broadly classified into two types: supply side energy management and demand side energy management. Enough efforts has been taken for supply side energy management. However, very little progress is seen in demand side energy management, especially in the country like India. According to Bureau of Energy Efficiency, 1 unit saved at demand side is equivalent to saving of 2 units of energy produced at supply side. Buildings accounts for 40% of total urban energy consumption, which is soon going to increase to 60%. In order to solve this problem of energy efficiency, we have developed our product Smart Joules. Our product has three main components: smart switchboards, gateway module, and mobile app or website. Our smart switchboard can be used to control devices either manually by pressing switch, by voice commands, or by website or mobile app. It also has an energy meter inside it, through which we can monitor the total energy consumption by all the connected devices. Gateway module eliminates the need for Wi-Fi for each switchboards. It connects to the internet, and through 6LoWPAN based wireless network it connects to the switchboards. User app or website is used to provide user interface so that user can see data history as well as can control devices remotely. Also, it will be empowered by AI or ML, which will help us to control devices automatically based on usage or need, as well as it will help us to identify faulty and inefficient devices. Let me show you a demo. I am using my smartwatch to control smart switchboard. Switch off fan. Switch on light. Switch on fan. Set fan speed to 1. Different benefits of our products include centralized real-time monitoring and control of all devices, easy to use switches, push button based to control it manually. It can be retrofitted in any existing switchboards. The installation is very quick and easy. Wi-Fi network is not required for our switchboards. Along with energy management, we can also integrate voice-based systems like Amazon Alexa, Google Home, etc. This concludes the features of our product. Thank you for watching.